Have you ever pondered over what's more valuable, time or material possessions? In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the chase for tangible riches. But when we pause, we often find ourselves questioning, is the latest gadget or the most luxurious car really more valuable than the moments spent with loved ones? Why do we, as a society, often prioritize material wealth over time, especially when it comes to relationships and family? It's time to delve into a story that might change the way we perceive these two entities. Imagine a world where a father has the choice between two gifts for his child, an expensive toy or a day spent together at the park. Let's delve into this tale, shall we? Picture a dad standing in the toy aisle of a bustling shop, his eyes darting between the latest high-tech gadget and the clock on his wrist. The toy, shiny and new, promises hours of entertainment, but time, with its gentle, relentless ticking, promises something different, something intangible. With a sigh, he steps away from the alluring lights of the toy aisle. Instead, he heads home, picks up a frisbee and his child, and they set off for a day at the park. The sun shines warmly on their backs as they laugh, run, and create memories. Their shared experiences, from the simple joy of a well-thrown frisbee to the shared laughter over a fallen ice cream cone, weave a tapestry of moments that will last a lifetime. And as the sun sets, they sit together, worn out, but content. The child, his eyes sparkling with happiness, looks up at his father. The joy in his eyes isn't from a new toy, but from a day filled with love, laughter, and companionship. In the end, the most cherished gift wasn't the toy but the time spent together. And it's a gift that can never be replaced, a treasure that can never be bought. So, what do we take away from this story? Let's circle back to the heart of our narrative. When it comes to love, affection, and relationships, quality time trumps material possessions every time. It's not about the price tag on a gift, but the moments we share, the laughter, the shared experiences that weave a tapestry of memories. These are the gifts that never fade, never break, never go out of style. They foster stronger bonds, deepen our connections, and enrich our lives in ways that no material possession ever could. And isn't that what truly matters? Next time you're faced with the choice between time and material possessions, remember, the best gift you can give to someone you love is your time.